Hello students. Students, yesterday I taught you letter F and today we will do activities related to letter F. But first we will revise this letter. Look here. This is letter F. Letter F. F says fur. F says fur. F for flowers. F for flowers. F for fountain. F for fountain. F for frog. F for frog. F for fish. F for fish. F for father. F for father. F for food. F for food. F for fur. F for fur. Look at the dress of this boy. F for fur. F for fur. And look here, father, mother, children, they make family. F for family. F for family. F for food. F for fur. F for fish. F for flowers. F for frog. F for fountain. Look here, this is fountain. F for fountain. Now look here. F for fox. F for fox. F for fountain. F for fountain. F for fan. F for fan. And look here. F for finger. F for finger. This is finger. F for finger. These are fingers. Now look here. Now we will circle only those frogs which have letter F on them. Look here. Is it letter F? No. Is it letter F? No. Is it letter F? Yes. Now I will circle this frog. Is it letter F? No. Is it letter F? Yes. Now I will circle this frog. Is it letter F? Yes. Now I will circle this frog. F for frog. Look here. Is it letter F? Yes. Now circle this frog. And look here. Letter F. Now circle this frog. F. This is letter F. Now circle this frog. Is it letter F? No. Now look here. These frogs are dancing. These frogs are dancing and some are jumping. Jumping. And these are sitting. Sitting. Dancing. Jumping. Sitting. And see their happy faces. They are all are smiling. Now look here. Now we will color those flowers whose names which have pictures whose names begin with letter F. Now look here. One beautiful fish. F for fish. F for fish. Which sound is coming? F. F. F is the sound of letter F. F for fish. Now I am coloring this flower. First boundary. Now left, right. Move color in only two directions. F for fish. Now look here. This is ant. But F F sound is not coming. Okay, so I will not color this picture. Look here. Fox. Fox. Now I will color this flower. F for fox. F. Which sound is coming? F. F for fox. Move color in two directions. F for fox. F for fox. Look here. Fountain. F for fountain. F is the sound of letter F, and fountain starts with letter F. So I am coloring this flower. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Look here. This is fan. Fan. F is the sound of letter F. F for fan. Now I am coloring this flower. F for fan. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Look here. This is hen, and f sound is not coming because this is hen, and this is an apple. And f sound is not coming. Okay, so we will not color these pictures. Now look here. Beautiful fish. F for fish. F for fish. Now I am coloring fish. First boundary. Now left, right. Move color in two directions. And look here, this is yellow color. Which color? Yellow color. F for fish. Fish. And this is yellow color. Left, right. F for fish. F for fish. Today you will do this work. Okay, bye bye.